سلام كما كأنهم تخاطتلتي ሩፍታን sisters channel لما أنتي قاشة هيزنا لكم متينا لنا قاشنا مምህር ኣድያም لامي مصحف كتنببلنا نولدناها كما يجر كان دقها تنببلهم كما يجرهم يردوا خان كا كترئكم يا سلاز تخاطتلنا
story time لامي لملي
لامي ستوري كتنببلنا سلاز متصخن مرة أنا نمسكنك مምህር ኣድያም
يا أنون دسيلني لو ما أنتي مساحة مو علي دسيلني دقيت زمت همان مفتوح خنيرو سو حجي حنتي زانتا خنا نببينا تقولني على خنتي دليا إنجليش قد بإنجليش حشاكر أوكي سو لو ما أنتي زي أيام تأيز اللخو من الله زنب بالله رأسته
أنا
من حشنا سدي تحشنا لا فيلو أدلي أوكي
Mrs. David.
من يزعه تايا تلزلا
Mrs. Vol David
اوكي Mrs. Vol تايا لوبزي
Pig.
أبيلا oh pig how do you know it's a pig because you can see it yeah what else can you see
a vet
a vet how do you know she's a vet
because of the title
because of the title and she's wearing something white here yeah and she's holding a pig or an animal yeah okay so we're going to read today the Vol and the vet okay now meet Miss Vol the vet where's the vet yay we found her because of her uniform yeah okay so meet Miss Vol the vet Miss Vol has one son. Miss Vol has one son. Can you show me one? Yay, good. Two daughters. How many daughters does she have? Two, yeah. And three cats. Oh, four dogs. She has a lot of things, yeah? She has one son, two daughters, 3 cats, 4 dogs. I wonder what kind of a house do they live in? Do they need a big house or a small one?
a big one
A small one? Yeah, they can fit into a small one. Okay, let them. And no husband. How is she gonna take care of them without a husband? Yeah? What is this?
A mouse.
This is a mouse? What is this?
a dog
A dog. What is this? What do you see? It's okay, go ahead. What do you see? A dog. It must be one of the four dogs, yeah? Okay. Miss Vol have Mr. Vol has 3 stepsons. 11 rabbits and he has a new wife. Wow. We will forget about him. Do we want to forget about him?
No.
We don't want to, but we'll see, okay? We'll try to remember about him. Okay. So Miss Vol works hard. She works really, really hard. You can see, yeah? She's working here, she's checking on the animals. Even here, yeah, she has a lot of people waiting for her with their animals, yeah, with their pets. She works day and night, weeks after weeks, and all the year around. Do you guys work hard? Yes, you do, yeah? You always go to school, day after day, week after week. You do your exams, you do your homework, yeah? So just like that, she works really hard all year around. No job is too little, yeah? Yeah, little and small are almost the same. Good. No job is too big. Yeah, she finds a way, yeah? Do you find a way if things are a bit hard for you? Just like that, yeah? No job is too fast or too slow or too high, yeah? So she finds a way all the time. Miss Vol she's worn out. If you work hard, if you work all day, if you don't rest, what happens to your body? you get tired, you get exhausted, yeah? And what do you want to do? To just relax and sleep and doze off, yeah? So Miss Vol is worn out. She comes home from work and fall asleep in a chair. Does that happen to you? Yes? When? When you come from school, because you do a lot of things in school and then you want to fall in the chair, yeah? Do you even take off your uniform? It feels so hard. Her children make the tea, put her slippers on and worry about. Why do they worry about her? Because she's always at work and she's always tired. Can you say tired? Yes, because she's always tired. Her children worry about her. So what she need is a boyfriend. What does she need? Boyfriend. What she need is a boyfriend, Mom. They say, she's Miss Vol. She sips her tea. What does she do? Do you sip your tea? Show me. How do we sip our tea? Yeah? Yeah, she sips her tea. Do you think so? She said, Do you think so? Do you think she needs a boyfriend? Yes. She does. What's a boyfriend gonna do to her? Help. Oh yeah? I think the dogs can take care of themselves. Yeah? Let's see that. So all the kids say, yes, you need a boyfriend. And she said, what sort of a boyfriend? A nice one, the children yell. With a nice smile. A nice? Oh, does that matter? Maybe, yeah? We're gonna check. And nice football boots, so he has to play ball at least, yeah? So they can have fun. And Miss Vol thinks, what did she think? She goes like, maybe she is processing it in her head, yeah? Do you think she's gonna get a boyfriend? No? Oh, then who's going to help her? After a few days later, Miss Vol meets Mr.
Lamb.
The
Lighthouse keeper.
Oh, what is that? The person who takes care of the lights, yeah? He's not bad, Mom, the children say. What did they say? He's not bad, Mom. Says Miss Vol. She sips her tea again. She likes her tea. She really likes her tea. The only trouble is, he lives in a, what is this? In a lighthouse, yeah? He lives in a lighthouse, and a lighthouse is really long. So you have to climb a lot of stairs, and maybe she doesn't like stairs. Okay, children. Okay, say the children. We will forget about a second person we have to forget again. A few days later, Miss Vol meets Mr. Field, the farmer. Mr. Field has a nice
Smile.
a very nice is the pig nice? Let's see, he has a very nice check. Do you know what check is? Remember the previous boyfriend, he had a very nice wallet? It's the same kind like that, okay? You only just keep it in the bank. Your money is in the bank, it's not in your wallet with you. So he must be smart. And a poorly pig. The pig is not nice, it's poorly pig, yeah? He's not bad, Mom, the children said. Says Miss Vol. Do you think so? And what do they say?
Yes.
Yes, yeah? Lovely checkbook, lovely pig. Says Miss Vol. She sips her
Tea.
This woman loves her tea. The only trouble is... Do you see the trouble? Do you see the trouble? Yes, a lot of pigs. What are you going to do with a lot of pigs? Get disturbed, yeah? So, he's not going to be? Yeah, he's not going to be the boyfriend. Too bad. Miss Vol goes back to work, yeah? She works 7 days a week. She works 7 nights a week, yeah? She really works hard. So like we said, no job is too little, yeah, or wet, yeah. No job is too wet, no job is too big, no job is too little or too spotty or too complicated. No job is too rude. Yeah, she has to do everything. Miss Vol is again worn out. She's always tired, yeah? So, again this time she fell asleep on her table. This time she slept on her table while sipping her tea. I think tea is her favorite drink, yeah? So again, a few weeks later, Miss Vol meets, what's this guy? He's wearing a uniform. He is a police, yeah. Mr. Shout, the sergeant, yeah? So he's bossy. Do you like it when mom is bossy? Do you like it when dad is bossy? Do you like when your teachers are bossy? No, we don't like bossy people, yeah? They have to be nice. So he's too bossy. Mr. Green, the grocer, he is too cabbagey. He sells too many vegetables, so he becomes too cabbagey. Mr. R, the actor. What does the actors do? They act, yeah? Too embarrassing. He's too embarrassing. He acts all the time, so he's too embarrassing. So the children say, okay, we will forget about them. Of course, we'll forget about them. They're too embarrassing, too bossy. We want to forget them too. Then one morning, the doorbell rings. Ding dong, yeah? And then what do you think is going to happen? On the step stands a man, just what they wanted, yeah? In a nice white coat. He has a nice smile on his face and a poorly pigeon in his hands. Meet Mr. Moo, the milkman, and he said, "Hello there." Have you noticed how do milkmen greet people? They're really loud and bold. They're like, "Hello there." Yeah? Do you think they're gonna like him? They're gonna adore him. Yeah, I think so. Miss Vol takes care of the pigeon. The children take care of the milkman. Why?
Because they want to get.
Because they're looking for the boyfriend type, yeah? When Mr. Mo leaves, the children, of course, are gonna convince the mom. So they're gonna say, he's nice, he has a good smile, he's neat, and then she's going to, while sipping the tea. But I think there's only a trouble. There's a trouble. She said, the only trouble is, what can be the trouble?
Too many pigeons.
Maybe. Miss Moo, he has a wife. Can he be a boyfriend now? Impossible, yeah? Okay, so a few days later, Miss Vol and the children make a picnic and drive off to the seaside. The sun is shining, the sand is warm, the waves are splashing on the rocks. Remember this house?
The lighthouse.
The lighthouse, yeah? Miss Vol is smiling as she climbs the lighthouse stairs. And after all, she thinks, what's a few steps? What does it mean?
That she doesn't mind it. It's a few steps.
Exactly. A few steps between friends. Yeah? So, probably she doesn't mind climbing the stairs to the lighthouse. Maybe she might get a boyfriend. Yeah? Maybe all her problems might be fixed. And she's going to keep on
Sipping
her tea and checking on the vets, the animals. Yeah? Do you like it? Do you like it? Do you have any questions? No? Okay. What was the best part about the story?
Probably when she will find a boy and then the only trouble is then they'll all have troubles.
Yeah, by then maybe they'll have troubles, yes?
There's a lot of pigs.
There are a lot of pigs and we do not like a lot of pigs, yeah? What do you think? Do you like the story? Which part was the best part for you?
When she sips her tea.
When she sips her tea, yeah, and I like it when she falls asleep. because I'm an adult and I'm always tired like her. Yeah. Okay. So this is the story for the day. So if do you like the way I read for you?
Yes.
So next time, I'm sure all parents are gonna watch this video and they'll start reading stories like this to their children. It's very engaging, yeah. And like if you want to read stories in your class, or if you want to read stories to the younger ones, you can do the same, yeah. All right. Thank you.
سلام كبرات تخاتلتنا إنجليش متصحفينا كنا مبتعنحنا كمي رخيبكمه أنا فتيو نسم كأفتيهم ما كنت كونوا تسفاي قبر حجخان من تجيني متصحف كتم ببلنا ممر أديام سلازي تخاتلنا